तुझसे ही नाराज हूँ मैं। सीने में जो कहीं पे दबी है ऐसी कोई आवाज हूँ मैं। सुन ले मुझे तू बिन कहे, कब तक खामोशी दिल सहे। आशिकी बाजी है ताश की, टूटते बनते विश्वास की। आशिकी बाजी है ताश की, टूटते बनते विश्वास की। ओ मिलने है मुझसे आई, फिर जाने क्यों तन्हाई। किस मोड़ पे है लाई आशिकी। ओ खुद से है या खुदा से, इस पल मेरी लड़ाई। किस मोड़ पे है लाई आशिकी। ओ हो आशिकी बाजी है ताश की, टूटते बनते विश्वास की।
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and welcome Yash with a warm round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Nice Southern California, bright morning. Welcome, welcome. On behalf of Paliwal family, I welcome you all. My name is Dilip Bhatt, and I'm going to be officiating the ceremony this morning. Today's ceremony is based on Vedic Hindu wedding ceremony, but we have improvised it to bring it to context of modern living. Many of you who have attended this kind of ceremony before will find that part of the ceremony is familiar to you, part of the ceremony is new to you, and part of the ceremony is absent. And that is by design. Those of you who are attending this kind of ceremony for the first time, we have prepared the program that on your chair. You can follow as to what is happening and kind of join in the celebration. We are going to start the ceremony with a prayer to Lord Ganesh to remove any and all obstacles from Medha and Yash's life as they start their life together. And then we'll proceed with the remaining part of the ceremony. I have one request to all my honored guests, that we have come here today to honor these two young people in their most happy moment and happiest hour of their life. So please refrain from unnecessary talking, unnecessary disturbing your fellow guest. If you must talk, please walk out, go to the lobby, and that way you don't disrupt anything. Again, I welcome you all, and we will start the ceremony. Swasti na indro vrudashravah, swasti na pusha vishvavedah, swasti nastaksho arishtnemi, swasti no brahaspati dadhatuhu. Om Shri Mahaganpate Namaha, Kul Devataya Namaha, Ishta Devataya Namaha, Grama Devataya Namaha, Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namo Namaha. Sumukhascha Kadantascha Kapilo Gajakarnaka, Lambodarascha Vikado, Vignanasho Vinayaka, Dhumraketu Ganadhaksho, Bhalachandro Gajanana, Svadashaitani Namani, Pathenyasyuniyadapi, Vidyarambhe Vivahe cha Praveshe Nirgamye tatha, Sangrame Sankate chaiva, Vignatasya na jayate, Shuklambaradharam devam Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarve Vignopashantaye Abhipsiddhyartha Siddhyartham Pujito Yasurasure Sarva Vigna Harastasmai Ganadhipataye Namaha. Mahaganpataye Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Mahaganpati Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Mahaganpati Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Tadeva Lagnam Sudinan Tadeva, Tarabalan Chandrabalan Tadeva, Vidyabalan Deva Balan Tadeva, Lakshmi Pate Te Trigura Smarami. Om Sarveshwarabda Karyeshu Strayas-Tribhuvaneshwaraha Devadishantu Nahasiddhi Brahmeshana Janardana. Om Kuladevdaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha, Brahmaya Namaha. Offer the water here. Hold the water again. Om Gananan Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavina Upavasravastamam Jeshtarajo Brahmana Brahmana Naspata Ana Shunvannoti Visida Sadhanam. Om Gananan Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Priyanan Tva Priyampati Gum Havamahe Nidhinan Tva Nidhipati Gum Havamahe. Om Shriddhi Siddhi Sahitam Mahaganpati Avayami Sthapayami Sumukhaya Namastubhyam Asanam Pratiguyyatam. Mahaganpati Devta Sampridde Asanam Samarupayami Pujanam. Om एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशं धारणं तदञ्च वरदं हस्तै बिभ्राणं मुषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पितं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च शुष्यादो प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगीनां वरः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः। Prayer to Lord Ganesh. O Lord, son of Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati, on this auspicious day, auspicious time, we pray to you, O Lord, to bless our children who are starting their life together today. O Lord, remove any and all obstacles from their path so that they can enjoy life's happiness to the fullest. O Lord, give them courage, give them happiness to do right thought, right action at right time. O Lord Ganesh, O Vigneshwarai, at your lotus feet, we are offering our prayer to bring love, joy, happiness, prosperity, progeny to our children's lives. Om Mahaganapati Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Mahaganapati Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Mahaganapati Devtabhyo Namo Namaha. Pujanam samarpayami, Deepam darshayami, Pushpam samarpayami, Nivedyam samarpayami, Namaskaram karomi. Anaya pujya sangha sapparivaro, Shri Mahaganapataye Namo Namaha. Friends, in our Vedic culture, at the time of the daughter's wedding, we invite and invoke the spirit of our ancestors to come from heaven to here in this hall, in this mandap, and in this kalash to bless our daughter and her husband. I am going to ask father of the bride to recite the mantra. Om Kalasasya Mukhe Vishnu Kanthe Rudra Samashrita Mule Tatra Sthito Brahma Madhye Matru Ganasmrutaha Kaushutu Sagara Sarve Swappadvipa Vasundhara Rugaveda Yajurveda Samaveda Atharvanaha Kalashambu Samashrita Atra Gayatri Savitri Shanti Pushti Karitatha Ayantu Mama Shantyartha Duritakshaha Karaka Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmada Sindhu Kaveri Jalismin Sannidham Kuru Brahmandara Sarvatirthani Tena Pushtani Terave Tena Satyena Me Devam Tirtham Dehi Divakare Asmin Kalasha Madhye Kula Devata Avayami Sthapayami Asmin Kalasha Madhye Pitru Devata Avayami Sthapayami Asmin Kalasha Madhye Prajapati Devata Avayami Sthapayami. Our Gotra Sambram Gotra Bhavasya, your name. Chandra Prakash Namadhesya, Pitaji Nam. Dhanalal ji, Pita Namadhesya, Dadaji. Devilal ji, Pitama Namadhesya, you say Mama, Sakala, Pitru Devata, Asmin, कलशमध्ये सपत्नी अहम आवाहनम करिष्ये पूजनम करिष्ये आशीर्वचनम प्राप्तिम भवन्तो भवतु. Then you do the tilak. The mantra says that today, for your daughter's wedding with your wife in the mandap, you are invoking your father, grandfather, and all 7 generations of the ancestors to come and bless your daughter and her husband. Om Anaya Pujya Sangha Saparivaro Shri Prajapati Devta Pranamastu. Stand up, put the kalash. Do namaskar. Om Namaskar. Om Bhagante Varuno Raja Bhagam Suryo Brahaspati Bhagam Indrasya Vayusya Bhagam Saptarshye Dadho Yete Kesheshu Darbhagyam Shrimantam Yajka Murdhane Lalate Karnayo Raksho Rapo Vignastute Sata. So blessings from Lord Brahaspati, Lord Prajapati, Lord Narayan, that may the lineage of this family move forward with this marriage ceremony. Shubham Bhavatu. Now you stand up, accept this coconut in your pallu. Om Pitru Devtabhyo Namaha. Offer it to Pitrus. This. Give him water. Ask him, are you ready to marry my daughter? Drink the water. Do it again. No, first give the water. Ask him. Ask him again.
Yes.
He gets 3 chances, you know. Ask again.
Are you ready to marry to my daughter? Yes.
Friends, prayer to Lord Ganesh been said. Invocation of the ancestor is done. Consent of the groom you all heard. And so now we'll request the bride to come and join us in the mandap. It is customary to put a little curtain in front of the groom to divert the attention from handsome groom to even prettier bride. So we are going to invite 2 family members to come. One stand here, one stand on the other side. And hold the curtain so she don't see her. सिद्धिपति रूडा गणपति अने ब्रह्म शिव शंकर लक्ष्मी विष्णु ग्रहो सहु मुनिगणो यक्षो अने किन्नरो कोटिते त्रिसुदेवयो निमहिजे पितृओ सर्वदे आविया शुभ मंडप वरवधू लग्ने वदो मंगल कुर्यात् सदा मंगलं कुर्यात् सदा मंगलं कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्ण परमात्मा देवताय नमः। ओम शुभ दिने शुभ घड़ी शुभ नक्षत्र अथ मेधानाम कन्यानां मंडपास्थात सौभाग्य प्राप्त्यर्थे आगमनं भवन्तो भवतु। कुर्यात् सदा मंगलं कुर्यात् सदा मंगलं कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम्। Give her a hug, tell her happy married life. You brought her up to here, right?
Yeah.
So journey forward. Thank you. ओम महागणपति देवताभ्यो नमः। शुभ घड़ी शुभ नक्षत्रे शुभ दिने शुभो दृष्टि भवन्तो भवतु। Take down the curtain and let them meet each other in the mandap. Yeah, now you can go. As a first order of acceptance of each other, they will exchange the garland. Come up further. Face each other. You hold it. Let her put her in first. Om Malyadini Sugandhini Malatyadini Vai Prabhu मायत्तानि पुष्पाणि पूजार्थं प्रतिगृह्यता। So Parth and Medha sitting in this mandap, we think of you as a Lord Narayan Vishnu. And we think of you as a goddess Lakshmi. Highest honor anybody can give in our culture is to do his puja in public. Sitting in this mandap, Parth bhai, you are Narayan. Yash bhai, you are Narayan. Sorry, sometimes happens. I am getting old. So, you are Lord Narayan. So, sitting in this mandap, we will do your puja. Om Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam to his feet? No, to his feet. Vishwadharam Gaganasadrasham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam. Do namaskar to him. Yogi Virdhyana Gamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavavayaharam Sarvalokaikanadham Vishnu Devtabhyo Namaha. And sitting in this mandap, you are Goddess Lakshmi. So we do your puja. Om Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Sakala Saubhagyam Dehi Dehi. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Mahalakshme Namaha. Namaskar to Mahalakshme Namaha. Extend your right hand. Friends, for a Hindu father, this is one of the most important moments in his life, when he gives his daughter's hand in a holy matrimony. This is one of the most important social, religious, personal, and spiritual moment when a father gives his daughter's hand in a holy matrimony. We believe in law of karma. We believe good karma earns us punya, bad karma earns us papa. This is the one act that a Hindu father does. He gives all the punya that he is earning today to his ancestors, whom he invoked from heaven. Someone that he had loved since the day she was born, brought her up, provided for her, looked after her, and today he is giving her permission to join the life with another man in another family. In a Vedic dharma, Hindu religion, this is considered highest of the high sacrifice. I am going to ask Meda's father to recite 3 mantras that every Hindu father, when the daughter is born, makes a sankalpam that one day I will recite these 3 mantras in front of God, front of congregation, in the mandap. Vishwambhara Sarva Bhutanam Sakshinam Sarva Devata Ima Kanya Pradasyami Mama Pitrunam Taraya. So mantra says Vishwambhara in front of God, Sakshinam Sarva Devata, God as my witness, and all the attendees present here. I am giving my daughter's hand in a holy matrimony, that any punya I earn, that I will give that to my ancestors. Now I am going to invite your 2 sisters, if they can come here. Touch her hand. That's okay. So now, second mantra. Yeah. Mataji, aap bhi aaiye, please. So now, second mantra from whole family. Kanya, Kanaka, Sampanna, Sarva, Parivar, Shobhitam, दास्यामि
दास्यामि
विष्णवे
विष्णवे
तुभ्यं
तुभ्यं
ब्रह्मलोक
ब्रह्मलोके
जिगीषय.
जिगीषय.
So he says, Kanya Sarvasampanna.
कन्या
The family is saying that our daughter, who is Sarvaguna Sampanna, wearing nice clothes, nice ornament, we are not only giving her hand in a holy matrimony, we are giving her many gifts. And Dasyami Vishnave Tubhyam, we have earned these things and it is ours to give it to her. And any punya we earn, you are saying, Brahmaloka Jigishaya, all the Purvaja, all the ancestor who lives in Brahmaloka, you are offering that to them. And now the third mantra. Tatakshana Paschat
तत्क्षण पश्चात
Mama
मम
Medhanama
मेधा नाम
Kanya
कन्या
Sarva
सर्व
Purushartha
पुरुषार्थ
Dharma
धर्म
Artha
अर्थ है
Kamaha
काम है
Moksha
मोक्ष है
Sarva
सर्व
Purushartha
पुरुषार्थ है
Na
मैं
Aham
अहम
Charitvam.
चरित्वाम.
So mantra says, from Tatakshana Paschat, from this moment onwards, this my daughter who is sitting here, her name is Medha. Any kind of Purusharth that she will do, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, this father is declaring that Na Charitvam, I am not going to claim any punya, any right over her. In a Vedic Dharma, this is the highest of the high sacrifice. We call it Pitru Devo Bhava. From this moment onwards, it will be Pati Devo Bhava. That is the transition. This is a spiritual moment when Pita is saying, I am God up till now, now you will be the God forever. Om Athamandapasthat Kula Shila Saubhagya Samudrika Savarogyam Sarva Alankara Shobhitam Ekavamshita Purushanam Medhanam Kanyanam Ekavamshita Purushanam Atha Lakshmi Narayana Prityarthe Santruptaye Varam Yashanama Varante Varam. So Yash wife, she is sitting in front of you, wearing nice clothes, anxious to join life with you. Her family until now provided for her, protected for her, look after her. Will you accept her home, hand in a holy matrimony, and promise in front of God to be her companion?
Yes.
Will you protect her as Lord Vishnu protects Lakshmi, Lord Shiva protects Parvati, Lord Brahma protects Savitri?
Yes.
Will you cherish her as Lord Vishnu cherishes Lakshmi, Lord Shiva cherishes Parvati, Lord Brahma cherishes Savitri?
Yes.
Will you honor her as Lord Vishnu honors Lakshmi, Lord Shiva honors Parvati, Lord Brahma honors Savitri?
Yes.
And do you promise in front of family, friends and God to do Saha Dharma Acharan, to live life under God's law, morals and ethics?
Yes.
Then extend your right hand. Om Bhagante Varuno Raja Bhagam Suryo Brahaspati Bhagam Indrashcha Vayuscha. Mataji, you stand up. Offer the water. No, just stay. Om Bhagante, no, right here, huh? Bhagante Varuno Raja, Bhagam Suryo Brahaspati, Bhagam Indrasya Vayushcha, Bhagam Saptarshiye Dadho, Yete Keshe Shudarbhagyam, Shrimantam Yacha Murdhane, ललाटे कर्णयोराक्षो रापो विघ्नस्तु ते सदा। ओम पुष्टि अस्तु शांति अस्तु सत्कर्मणं वृद्धिः भवन्तो भवतु पुण्यवर्धतां 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 कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम। So blessing is that may you both enjoy togetherness of Goddess Lakshmi and Vishnu, Lord Shiva and Parvati, Lord Brahma and Savitri. May you both prosper, make both family happy and proud with your satkarma, with your good deeds. We pray to God that you both have a long, happy and prosperous life together. Om Shubham Bhavatu, Shubham Bhavatu, Shubham Bhavatu. You stand up. You stand some close. Bring it closer. सूत्रकर्पास संभूतं ब्रह्मणा निर्मितं पुरा येन मध्ये जगत् सर्वे वेष्टनं दंपतिस्य च। So Yash bhai, Medha, the mala you see over your head is called Varmala. Var in Sanskrit means boon, the blessing. This mala represents God's law. Joining hand is a personal commitment. This mala is blessings of God. Before this moment, you two were separate individuals. By putting this mala around you, we are making you one in the eyes of God, morals and rules created by Lord Brahma. We pray to God that your togetherness and love for each other grow day by day, stay strong as ever. Om Shri Varchasya Mayushyam Arogyam Avidha. Ena matha par tame hath muko, ashirwad apo. You put it on Mataji. Om Shri Varchasya Mayushya Marogya Mavidha Mahidhanam Mahiyate Dhanam Dhanyam Arogyam Bahuputralabham Shata Samvatsaram Dirghamayu. So live long, happy, prosperous life together. Friends, when in a Vedic culture, when two people unite, it is two families uniting. So we are going to tie the knot. When we say tying the knot, we really mean tying the knot. So today, two families are going to unite. So we are going to ask sister to come up here. Hema, come here. And your brother? Okay, come out here. So tie one end to his case. So we are uniting you today on 3 levels. Joining hand is a personal commitment. Mala is under sanctifying under God's law. And this cloth that ties you together is now today Patel family, Paliwal family, are uniting together. Always treat both the family as your own, and let this relationship that begins from here prosper and be fruitful and happy. Om Devebhye Purto Jata Devebhye Shatam Puraha. So now that we united them in a holy matrimony, we are going to light a small ceremonial fire, and they will solemnize their union by giving their promise to God in front of the holy fire. Your prayers to Lord Ganesha. Om Gananan Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavina Upavasravastamam Jyeshtarajo Brahmana Brahmananaspada Ana Shunvanno Divisi Dasadanam. Do namaskar to Ganapati. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha Mahaganapataye Namaha Mahaganapataye Namo Namaha. Agnim Agnim Jatavedo Jatavedo Maavaha Agnim Agnim Jatavedo Jatavedo Maavaha Agnim Agnim Jatavedo Jatavedo Maavaha Jamadnamagnim Agnim Avayami Sthapayami Om Agnaye Namaha Agnaye Namaha Agnaye Namaha. Om Gananan Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavina Upavasravastamam Jyeshtarajo Brahmana Brahmananaspada Ana Shunvanno Divi Sidasadanam. Om Ganapataye Swaha Idam Ganapataye Idam Namama. All three of us together. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Swaha. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Swaha. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Swaha. Om Suryaya Swaha Idam Suryaya Idam Namama. Om Bhaum Chandraya Swaha Idam Chandraya Idam Namama. Om Bhaumaya Swaha Idam Bhaumaya Idam Namama. Om Budhaya Swaha Idam Budhaya Idam Namama. Om Brahaspadaye Swaha Idam Brahaspadaye Idam Namama. Om Shukraya Swaha Idam Shukraya Idam Namama. Om Shaneshwaraya Swaha Idam Shaneshwaraya Idam Namama. Om Rahuve Swaha Idam Rahuve Idam Namama. Om Ketuve Swaha Idam Ketuve Idam Namama. Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat Swaha. Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat Swaha. Om Mahadevi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat Swaha. Om Mahadevi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat Swaha. Om Sadashivaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Shiva Prachodayat Swaha. Om Sadashivaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Shiva Prachodayat Swaha. Om Mahadevi Cha Vidmahe Shiva Patni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Gauri Prachodayat Swaha. Om Mahadevi Cha Vidmahe Shiva Patni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Gauri Prachodayat Swaha. Om Indraya Swaha Idam Indraya Idam Namama. Om Brahmaya Swaha Idam Brahmaya Idam Namama. Om Brahaspadaye Swaha Idam Brahaspadaye Idam Namama. Now hold little ghee in the spoon. You put little havan samagri. And then so Pari, hold hands together. This is your prayer to Lord Aditya, who is in this fire, sun, the life giver. Om Varunaya Savitre Vishnave Vishwebhyo Devebhyo Marugha Swaha. Om Varunaya Savitre Vishnave Vishwebhyo Devebhyo Marugha Swaha. Om Varunadityachaya Adityachaya Swaha. Om Varunadityachaya Adityachaya Idam Namah. So you have to say Mama Putri Yasha Vara Varaya. So you are giving consent to the holy fire that your daughter is marrying this one. And then you have to say Mama Putra Medha Kanya Varaya. So you are saying to God that your son is marrying this one. So I as a witness, fire as a witness, offer your offering in the fire. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. So when you offer the rice in your hand, let it go in her hand, then you offer it in the fire. Okay? So I am going to ask in front of holy fire, Kim Nama, what is your name? Raghav Namadesya. Kim Sambandham, how you are related to this woman? So you are promising in front of God that if in future if this couple needs any kind of help, you will always there to help them. That includes Saturday night babysitting. Saturday is more important, that's why. Om Swastistu Vinashakya Punya Kalyana Vruddhida Vinayaka Priya Nityam Tvam Swastino Bhruvantu Naha. So with both hands, offer rice 3 times in Yashbhai's hand, like this, with both hands. Om Vishnave Swaha, Idam Vishnave, Idam Namama. Om Brahmaya Swaha, Idam Brahmaya, Idam Namama. Om Shivaya Swaha, Idam Shivaya, Idam Namama. Offer it in the fire. Om Parabrahmane Swaha, Idam Parabrahmane, Idam Namama. Now join hand as we shake hand. So first round is for dharma. Dharma means duty. Duty to each other, duty to society. So, Jasbhai, you are promising you will do your duty as a husband. Yes? Say out loud, everybody hears it.
Yes.
Good. This is in front of God, so it's important. And Medha, you are promising that you will do your duty as a wife.
Yes.
And you both are promising. And you both are promising that you will do your duty as a member of the society to take part in the civic duty for the welfare of your society, right? So as you circle the fire, we pray to God that God grants you courage and wisdom to fulfill your promise. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhvaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tanohari, Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadhike, Sharanye Trambake Gauri, Narayani Namaste. Brahmane Swaha, Idam Para Brahmane, Idam Namah. So hold the hand again. So second round is for Artha. Artha means material possession. So you both are promising that you will earn your living in a righteous way.
Yes.
Also, you are promising that you will share your prosperity with the society in a form of charity, volunteer works, things like that.
Yes.
And third promise is that from this point onwards, what is hers is yours, and what is yours is hers.
Yes.
So shared prosperity. Huh? And as you circle the fire, we pray to God that you achieve great prosperity together and make both family happy and proud with your action. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tano Harihi, Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadike, Sharanye Trambake Gauri, Narayani Namostute, Shubham Bhavatu, Shubham Bhavatu. Yeah? Do it again. Om Vishnave Swaha, Idam Vishnave, Idam Namama, Om Shivaya Swaha, Idam Shivaya, Idam Namama, Om Brahmaya Swaha, Idam Brahmaya, Idam Namama, Om Parabrahmane Swaha, Idam Parabrahmane, Idam Namama. So third round is for Kama. In Sanskrit, Kama has three meanings. First is fidelity, forsaking all others from this day forward. So just by you are promising in front of God that you will always be faithful to her. Veda, when you are promising that you will be faithful to Yash. Another meaning of Kam is what one desire out of life, what's a goal, life goal one has. So as a wife, you are promising that you will support what life goal Yash wife set for himself. And you are promising that you will support what life goal she sets for herself. And third meaning of Kam is enjoying life's passion and pleasures together. So you both are promising that whatever enjoyment of life is, you will do it together. And so as you circle the fire, we pray to God that you achieve great achievements and make both family happy and proud with your achievement. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tano Harihi, Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadike, Sharanye Trambake Gauri, Narayani Namostute, Shubham Bhavatu. Om Shivaya Namaha, Shivaya Swaha, Om Vishnave Swaha, Idam Vishnave, Idam Namama, Om Brahmaya Swaha, Idam Brahmaya, Idam Namama, Om Parabrahmane Swaha, Idam Parabrahmane, Idam Namama. So join the hands again. So this round is for moksha, spiritual development. So you both are promising that you will not just live life materialistically, but also develop spiritually. Also this round is for making each other happy. So Medha, you are promising to God that you will always try to make your husband happy. And Yashbhai, you are promising that you will always try to make her happy.
Yes, I will.
Now, in our Vedic culture, it is always a woman's role to bring happiness in the family. That's why we call it Matru Deva Bhava. Mother is like God, because it is mother who brings happiness and spiritual development in the family. So signify that in this round, she will lead. So you stay where you are, move around, turn around, good. So as you solemnize the union with the fourth round, we pray to God that you develop spiritually, develop materially, achieve great goals together, and make both family happy and proud with your achievement. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tano Harihi, Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadike, Sharanye Trambake Gauri, Narayani Namostute. Now here it is saying whoever sits first will rule the household. So I am a neutral person. So I am going to look here and count to 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. મંગળસૂત્રને ટચ કરીને તમારા આશીર્વાદ આપે એ ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થાય. Touch the મંગળસૂત્ર, pass your blessings. So pick up the Mangalsutra, put it on. Yes, why this is the first test of married life, right?
With this ring, I promise to always keep you happy, promise to always keep all your dreams fulfilled, and whatever you need, I'll be there to support you every step of the way. I love you.
Very good. Whoa! Now put it on her. Give it to her. Now you say something to him.
Something.
I mean, it's a love message in public.
Yash.
Close it.
Oh, close it. I just said close it. I'm prepared to say anything. I think I giggled like this during the proposal too. I love you so much. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me so far and today, and looking forward to our amazing future together filled with love, laughs, and more laughs.
Very good. Now take this sindur, this one, put it in her palm. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Mahalakshmi, Mangalam Vrittivardhanam. That's it. Parting. All right, now stand up. Now that they exchange the symbol of their wedlock, they are going to take 7 steps together. Saptapadi. When they circle the holy fire, their promise is to God. But when they take 7 steps together, their promise is to both families, friends. So we are all going to listen to their promises.
Let
us take the first steps that we share in the responsibilities of marriage and build our home with love and happiness.
Next one.
Let us take the second step that we
Support each other spiritually, emotionally, and physically in times of joy and sorrow.
Very good.
Let us take the third step that we devote ourselves to raising strong, virtuous, and healthy children.
Very good. That's what we all want.
Let us take the fourth step that we promise to be true in mind and spirit to each other, our family, and friends.
Very good. Come up here.
Let us take sixth step,
fifth step that we share our
wealth and hearts with the world. Let us take the sixth step that we practice self-restraint and remain spiritually aware.
Let us take the seventh step that we are forever loving friends in this wedlock.
Very good. So you have taken 7 steps with your husband in a memory of this very spiritual, religious, social, and personal moment. I am going to give these 7 soparis back to you. Keep them with you. In a time of happiness, it will enhance your happiness. In time when you will need strength and courage, it will give you strength and courage to meet the challenges of life. It has the blessings of Lord Ganesh. It has the blessings of 7 generations of ancestors whom we invoked here. Keep them with you and they will protect you. Now, as a Acharya of this ceremony, it becomes my duty to give them some advice, some upadesh, also the blessings. So I have taken this one passage from Upanishad. As to those who don't know, Upanishad is a Hindu scriptures full of wisdom. And this Upanishad is from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. And here, a young couple just like you asking the Rishi the advice. So here, the couple is asking the Rishi that, "Oh, wise one, what is the secret of happy married life? And how a man and a woman can make their home heaven on earth?" And Rishi replies thus, that every household, every family is like a chariot with 2 wheels, husband and wife, and axle of common purpose. The cloth that is uniting you today is a symbol of that common purpose. When 2 wheels rotate at the same speed, in same direction, chariot will move smoothly in a path of life, and life will be full of joy, harmony, and happiness. If any one will rotate at a different direction, in a different speed, chariot will move away from the smooth path, may turn over, and it will bring pain and suffering in the journey. Mistrust, doubt, and difficult time, anger, these are the chasms on a road of life. And couple will have to build bridges to cross these chasms to continue the journey. There are 7 pillars for building these bridges. 7 sopari you are holding in your hand, and 7 steps that you took is symbol of these 7 pillars. These pillars are love, faith, trust, mutual understanding, cooperation, forgiveness, and patience. then life is a journey full of joy and happiness and love and fulfillment. As you start your life together, remember the word of the sage, love and trust each other in prosperity and not so prosperity. Treat both your family as your own. And third, always learn to forgive each other's mistakes. And fourth commandment is always welcome guests in your house. Like me, will show up unannounced. We have a saying in our dharma, Atithi Devo Bhava. An unannounced guest could be God in disguise, wants to come and test your hospitality. So as you start your life together, on behalf of all the friends, family, all the Pitrus, spirit of ancestor, I will give you lots and lots of blessings and good wishes. Congratulations, long and happy married life. Now stand up and do namaskar to me. Now come up further. Give this to mom first. But give to dad, put it in his pocket. Come up in the front. Do namaskar to everybody. Friends, freshly minted. Yes, Medha, Mr. and Mrs. Patel. And we pray to God that your rest of your life, you always be happy and be sweet as the first bite you are sharing. You can feed her too, you know. He promised just a few minutes ago. No? Feed him more if you like, you know. He is now your husband, you know, official. That's right. Give him the rest, one pan of cookie. No, put this one. All of it. Have a nice picture. Acharya of Ajini ceremony, I am giving you members of your family's hand in your hand. This is the Graha Lakshmi of your family. Take her with you. She will bring a lot of happiness, prosperity, grandchildren, and many lot more joyous occasion of the life. Take her with you and make her part of your family. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja.
कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया।
पहला नशा, पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार। कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा, पहला खुमार, इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। एक कर दूं
जमीन पे कभी वो चांद पे, ये नजर कहे उसे यहाँ मैं रख लूं बांध के एक सांस में, धड़कनों के पास में, हाँ पास में घर बनाए, हाय भूले ये जहाँ। बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार वे, बहारा बहारा कि चैन तो हुआ फरार वे।
तो है मेरे जिगर की चिट्ठियाँ, क्या किया कोई जब आएगा तुझको चुरा के ले जाएगा। कटेगा कैसे लम्हा तेरे बिना बता, जियूंगा कैसे तन्हा तेरे बिना बता। तू सुहागन रहे संग साजन रहे रात दिन, इस खुशी के लिए हर सितम मैं उठा लूंगा। ओ तेरे जाने का गम मुझको होगा मगर लाडली, लेके इस दर्द को मैं सदा मुस्कुराऊंगा।